Oi, olo ola Samoa, no ulai fo lava, no whanau mai, o a o le tama. Ai, o na olo, whiuro tinama o tamai a te au, whamai o a o le tama. Ai le o au, ai whai au, o mea whātene o te fia o te alusu I lima, ia ofu so skoe ngā mea o ke alusu I sui. Ia.
My mother always knew that I was not like her other sons. She often blames herself and thinks, if I'd never dressed you up as a girl, then maybe you would never ended up as a girl.
Mai a lo lai kiki. Ngō lai kiki mai a o pe a o se teine. Ai le o se teine moi.
I'm the director and founder of a small organisation called Whine, where I work with Pasifika LGBTQIA individuals and their whānau across the Auckland region. My biggest struggle as a young person was feeling isolated because there were no support services. So there was a part of my life where people were referring to me that I was a gay boy, even though I didn't understand what it was to be a gay boy because it sort of didn't connect with me. There were very few people that I had seen through my own lenses that I found similar to me. I was very fortunate to win 3 beauty pageants, and then that sort of became a support unit for me over time when you were amongst your father and your sisters. We reciprocated just like any other Pasifika family would in terms of passing things on to each other. How to groom yourself more appropriately, how to nip and tuck things in certain places so that they would not be visible. So it was that type of support, and I'm always paying tribute to whawhawhinge who are integral in building me as an individual, because if it wasn't for that communal aspect within that supportive environment, then I could have probably been another statistic.
Paua lau whaupuanga I kangaka I māku, o leo langa nge whaingaka ia. Whaingaka ngā kalia e mākua, kua ngā kangaka I māku. Ia loa o langa o seo langa whaingaka ke lea ngā mai lo kupu ai. Ngō whai taman mālosi I leo langa le ia ngō o awia ke la longa e awia o awa kenge. O e whaingaka ia o leo langa le ka keo lai fuai ia lo ka mamlo ki ngā e whasi a au ia so ia o lai kiki. E whasi ia e whiwa. O leo o mea kaiminge e vai mai au lo awa lea o awa ke kenge a.
So like this, having to wake up every morning and prepare myself and get myself ready, and when I leave my front door, I have to make sure that I look a particular way. And this is what trans people have to contend with every single day of their life. And you walk out of your house and someone might say, oh, why do you have a moustache? Or have you got a beard? And if we don't look the part, if we don't sound the part, if we acting more masculine unintentionally, we get called out on it. And if you can understand the burden of that over time, it really impacts on an individual's well-being, on their self-esteem. Hi, Niniva. How are you? Welcome. So I'm dealing first and foremost with a whole bunch of people that are coming through my door, having to talk through what's life like for you. Well, life at the moment for me is staying at home, closing my curtains and just watching TV all day, because that's safe. They've forgotten how to dream. They don't dream anymore because the dream is just about keeping safe and staying home and just not being in anyone's business. Or I want to get a job, I want to be employed, or I want to study, I want to have a career. You know, trans people are just everyday, normal people just like everyone else. Hi, Ray.
Oi, e whainga kā, especially ko ngā kākai e māko. E whainga kā kia lako ki loa, kia wai e wakulo passport, me kia loa I, ko ngā kākai e lako. Ia, e wansa I loa o mala, ia, e le kai ngai e whainga luinga e whamai, e vili mai. Ngā pawanga o kāla kākai vili mai. Ai ele whawhainga luinganga oi.
So the support that I've provided Niniva has been around increasing her finance. And one thing that we looked at, because she's a seamstress, was that she wanted to look at starting sewing again, but she only had a little home sewing machine. We were able to contribute to getting her an industrial plain sewer and overlocker. But the whole purpose of why I do what I do is to assist someone like Niniva in seeing the bigger picture, but also preparing them with tools and skills to be able to basically live a life without barrier or challenges.
Hau whakuanga I kāka I leo, I kāka laiki. Leo langa ngei. O leo langa ngei ia ke follow lau dreams. Ia. Ngā la ai whapea e whamai o ole kama. Ia. O ako ke leo o isi kākai koe ngai māko. Ko le mea ngā le wale ngā leo koe lau whaakama a fwe a le leo ngō whiwhi la ku mākua. Au lau au langa a whenga e whangau I fo o ia. Ia e wholo a ia o ia o le mea le mea e whikokongo lau loko a. It's from your heart.